Hey everyone, welcome back to Lens on Trains. This is episode 16 of my building my first HO scale train diorama series. It feels good to be back at the workbench after a short break. A lot has changed on my side recently, so taking a small pause was necessary, but today I'm excited to pick things up again and finally start adding some life to this layout. And so in this episode we're diving into something I've been looking forward for a long time, like planting the very first miniature trees on the diorama. And I ordered a set of 30 small green trees online. Nothing fancy yet, but they're perfect for this first round. And later on we'll add more variety, like taller trees, different shapes, different colors, bushes, plants, fences, and of course some small scale people and other details that will really bring the world to life. The workflow itself is simple but satisfying. First I drill a small hole using a drill shape tool, just enough to fit the base of the tree. Then I apply a small drop of glue. I insert the tree, make sure it's standing straight, and finish by covering any glue residue with a bit of fine grass. And that last touch blends everything in and gives the extra bit of realism I love. Now you will see in the first part of this exercise it was just me getting started, but I wasn't alone. As you can see, my daughter was right next to me watching everything with a curiosity that totally melted me. She stayed quiet, just observing how I drilled the holes, placed the glue, and gently positioned each tree. And then halfway through she jumped in. She basically grabbed the tree, asked how she could help, and carefully followed every step I showed her. Honestly, she was more patient and precise than I expected. She checked if her trees were straight, pushed the bases in just the right amount, and even added grass around the glue just like I did. So it turned into this small but really special moment, building something together, one tiny tree at a time. So yeah, we basically finished all the 30 trees, but this is just the beginning. We've planted enough to finally give some shade to the areas near the tracks, by the river bank, and around one of the houses. It's only a small step, but it already changes the feel of the diorama. And basically before I end this episode, I have a small surprise. Last weekend I visited a train diorama exposition in Bucharest, and I filmed some beautiful layouts and some absolutely amazing train models. I can't wait to share them with you in an upcoming video. But until next time, thanks for watching, thanks for your patience during the break, and thanks for sticking with Lens on Trains. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hop into the comments to tell me what types of miniature trees you'd like to see next. See you in the next one. Bye everyone.